This time we are preparing borsok. So the dough is already ready and it's waiting for us, and we're gonna start preparing borsok. Borsoks, yes.
Marga seni келет деп мен уже камырын жууруп дайындап койдум, эми азыр бышыра тургандай болуп калдым. Отко мындай май куюп алабыз.
So we're pouring in the oil first. So the preparation of dough for borsoks, it's actually very easy. We take flour, we take some salt, we take water and some margarine. We mix it all together to make some dough, and we leave it for 3 hours. 3 hours later, we take it out and start rolling it into, as you can see right now, plasts as usual that we will cut later in pieces and fry it in the kazan. Once the plasts are ready, we cut it into small strings, as you can see over here. This is the specific shape from which the name comes, borsok. In general is the straws that are used by a lot of Kyrgyz people, especially in covering of the yurts. It's called the that covers it. And here, since it's small thin strings, it's also called the borsok.
Bismillah.
So as you see, we got into the whole movement of preparing the borsoks, and here I am for the first time of my life, for Kyrgyz friends. Nagi's cooking borsoks.
Ya, Kırgız'a git. Ona azamatsın. Borsok ustayır oldu.
You said I did a good job. I'm happy about it.
Bulan batırak pişip gidip, yağı pişkanda bir yağını odarıp koyuyoruz. Такой кругленький tabak нам болады. Неменің астында пішіріп алабын, бана бала уақыда беріп қойғанға шашпай пішіре береміз. Мынакей, Марго, борсок менен чай ичебиз азыр.
Can Rahman, thank you very much. It looks very delicious.
Oh, Stigel.
And by the way, I have learned a very nice life hack while living in Kyrgyzstan. Technically, if you want your borsoks to be very sweet and nice, especially for the teeth, as you know, since the way they were prepared, they're hollow inside. So you take a bite of it, and you see that inside, it is kind of, empty. So you can put something in there, which is why over here we take some condensed sweet milk. That's my own life hack that I'm sharing with you guys. It's from my childhood, actually, in fact. You pour the milk inside your borsok. Kind of cold outside, which is why it doesn't get very much inside, but yeah, here you got the idea of it. And you eat it with the condensed milk, the Russian one. That is the taste of the childhood. This is amazing. You'll need some tea with it, but actually make sure you try that. Rahman, Spasiba. In all the languages that we know. So, let's try with another one.